Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to update the firmware of the new machine Raise3d Pro2. For that, go to the Raise3d website and on your right corner you can see support, and in support go to download center. You can see download center, go to download center. Now we are on download center and go down. When we go down you can see that the motion control board firmware. So this is the firmware update for the machine. So on uh, bottom you can see the firmware update option for all the N1 and N2 series machines. So our machine is Pro2, so this is our firmware. So click on that and then it start downloading. So save it somewhere on the machine. So I am going to save it on the desktop. After that, plug in the pen drive and send this firmware file to that pen drive. Then plug in the pen drive to the machine. Then go to print option and select the USB storage. And you can see the firmware file there, that Pro2 Dual. So select that file. Do you want to flash this firmware? Okay. Now it's updating the firmware. It takes some time, so you should have to wait. On this latest update, Raise3d says that now we can stop and pause the print very fastly. Before it takes some time to pause or stop the print. Okay, now it's almost finished. Okay, firmware update successfully. Click OK. Okay, now we have the latest firmware version. Okay, next we are going to update the raisetouch. So raisetouch is a software of the touch panel. So let's see how to update that. So go to the same as download center and go down. You can see raisetouch. So the latest version is 1.2.0 and just click on that, then download now. Now it start downloading. So I saved it to the desktop. Send this file to the pen drive. Copying. It's a big file. It's around 100 something MB. Then plug in that pen drive to the machine. Go to print, select USB. After that, switch off the machine. So I'm going to switch off the machine from the back side. Then switch it on. Okay. it automatically detect that that file from that pen drive. So it's detected the file. So welcome to raisetouch 1.2.0. so update now. I agree. So now it's updating. So what's new in this update is that now we can export the file from the camera recording in MP4 file format. So previously it was only MPEG format. Now we can export it in the MP4 file format, which is the common one. So set up raisetouch. Check for update automatically. Okay, switch it on. Then download update automatically. Okay, next. Raise touch. Okay, privacy done. Click down. Okay, I think the machine is restarting now. Okay, now we are on the latest raisetouch version. Okay, this is how we update both the firmware and the raisetouch. Thanks for watching.